Hit the road, don't even check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why I'm at my pockets fat, cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well I'ma bring the band out.
Y'all, we just got our little sound machine with the rain sound and stuff from Amazon. Let's see what's in it. So y'all, this is it. And it says scan with the transparency app. I guess, I don't know. So it's therapy for babies, kids, and adults. It's a Magicteam sound machine. And it's new. Let's see. Plastic piece off. Okay. Open the box up. Has this little cellophane. I guess this is what it is. Okay, it comes with the user manual. Thank you for purchasing this product. To ensure properly use and trouble-free operation, please read this manual carefully and store it in a safe place for future reference. And it has the little steps and stuff to show you how to operate it. Fun. Shows you problems and solutions if they have any issues. Also opens this way as well. Greetings, thanks for your support. Here are 2 tips for you. So it does come with a warranty. And that's it. Well, that's not it, but that's it for that. I don't know what just happened to my light. Like, the ghost is getting real in here. Okay, so I can get that out. Here is the machine. It's a little cute little thing. Guess that's the port for you to put the charger in, plug in the wall. Here's the charger cord. Pretty simple things. And here's the piece that you use the adapter. Okay. So, about to plug this baby up and see what it is. Okay, y'all, so how about we test it out? Okay, in the user's manual, it does tell you the track list of it, and it is pretty self-explanatory. We're going to press the power button. Okay, and that first noise that you are hearing in your ears is brown noise. Second sound is pink noise. The third sound is blue noise. Fourth sound is white noise. The fifth sound, this is a soft fan. The sixth sound is household fan. That's like that fan we used to have when we was younger, the little box fan. The seventh sound is an industrial fan. The eighth sound is a big fan. The ninth sound is rain on your yard. The 10th sound is heavy rain. The 11th sound is rain on your window. 12th sound is stream in the cave. The 13th sound is brook, which is like a waterfall. The 14th sound is river. The 15th sound, gentle sea wave. The 16th sound is mighty sea wave. The 17th is little sea wave. The 18th is singing birds. Number 19 is campfire. And last but not least is the train sound. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're about to go ahead and wrap it up. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit that bell, like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you are returning, thank you so much for the continued love and support that you continue to give and send more people my way. And I appreciate every last one of you all. And have a blessed day, you all. See you in my next video. Bye.
Hit the road, don't even check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why I'm at my pockets fat, cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well I'ma bring the band out.